What's up everyone? I'm doing a voiceover on this one because the audio wasn't working for this part of the video. Today I'm going to be going over the right hand side air filter, which allows air to come into the CVT transmission. So this air filter will have 5 8mm bolts holding it in. There's 2 on each side as you open up the right hand side panel, and then there's one down towards the bottom. The one down towards the bottom, you can get away with just loosening it and not taking it out all the way, as it is hard to get to. So just follow along in the video and you should be able to change out your CVT transmission air filter. I will leave a link to the air filter in the description below this video, and you could also purchase the Can-Am air filter as well. Both filters are the same. Okay, so if you come over to the right hand side of the bike, you'll have a little tab here you can twist, and that will open this up. This is where you're going to change this air filter, and this does just come off. It's very easy. There's a little, you can push one side, so I pushed that, and that comes off. So we're going to take it off, just get it out of our way. Okay, so once you get that cover off, you're going to squeeze this. There's going to be 5 bolts total. These are all 8mm. There's one down here. Just kind of see it right straight back. Right there, you can get a glimpse of it. Okay, and then there's 2 on this side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, we're going to pull all those out, replace the filter. Okay, as far as this filter goes, it's 2 8mm bolts right here. And you can use, you can use the Can-Am filter on this side. It'll fit the same as the other side. Or on this side. Now, why they made this side so it bolts on, I don't know. This side's very easy to change your filter. But the filter on the left side and the right side are exactly the same. This one is for your CVT transmission. This is the breather for it. The other side is for your air intake. So as you can see, comes off. There is one more bolt underneath, but you do not have to take it out. There's our filter. Nasty as hell, lots of bugs, lots of road debris. Again, this one underneath is, it's already loose, and it is right in there. I mean, you can get to it without taking off the plastic, but I've done this before, so I know you don't have to take it out. I kind of wish that it was a cutout, so this would just be, loosen, and it would lift that off. But okay, so now this guy's gonna go back in the same way we took it out. Okay, sits in there like that. I'll get this guy down here tightened again. And these bolts are very awkward when you put a socket on them. Like, if you don't keep your socket flush, socket will skip right off of them. No weird bolt that they used here. Okay, we're gonna get all 4 of those back in. We'll put this cover back on. Okay, so now that we got our filter changed, we're gonna put our cover back on. You have a hole on this side, with the vent facing forward. You're just gonna put this side on first, And then you can push this over. And it will slide right on. Okay. Put it back up. And we're just going to twist this little guy here until it's secure. Put your little D-ring here in the downward position. And there you go. You have now successfully changed out your CVT transmission air filter. And like I said, the other side will use the same exact filter. Okay, so something to keep in mind, you know, if you've done something like what I have here, you know, I've changed out to the Trill Performance intake system and that filter was still good. So we actually saved that filter that was over there, and we are now using it here. Okay. And you can also use the Can-Am filter on both sides as well. It's not gonna hurt anything. You will not pick up any kind of power gains as far for if you use the Can-Am air filter on this side. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You're not going to pick up any power gains by putting the Can-Am air filter on here, but the benefit to it is it's supposed to be a lifetime filter. It's cleanable, you know, whereas this one we're replacing it, you know. So that is the benefit of having the Can-Am, you know, for 40 bucks, you're never going to have to buy another filter. You know, you can just clean it when it comes time to change it. Anyways, I hope that video helps someone out. Again, there will be a link in the description for the Can-Am filter on and the factory filter. Okay. Anyways, I hope that helps somebody out. You guys have a great day.